Here's a cute Valentine's painting that kids and adults both love. So I'm going to take a pouncer with some pink and purple. You can do whatever colors you want in the background. And I'm just going to bounce a texture all over my canvas. I'm going to cover all of the white. And then once you do that, make sure it's dry really, really good, just like that. And I'm going to take a medium round brush and make 3 hearts. I'm going to start with a large heart and fill it in. We're starting with white first. We're going to make some multicolored hearts today, so start thinking about what colors you want to use. Fill it in really good, and I'm going to add a small heart and a medium heart as well. Whatever you do, I suggest doing at least 3 different sizes to make it kind of balance itself out, if you will. I'm going to fill all of them in with some white and pick some colors. I want to do some warm and some cool colors. So I'm going to start with a light blue. And I'm going to start on the outside edge of my first heart. I'm going to start with my smaller heart. Outline it with some of that blue. And then I'm going to take a greenish blue and start doing a second layer. Notice how I'm overlapping it over top of that light blue. That helps to blend it. And I'm also going to take some pink in the center. Now, red and blue make purple, so it's going to turn into a pinkish purple, but I think that's really pretty. Now for the larger heart, I want to do red, so I'm going to do an outline of red, then do a second layer of pink, and in the middle I'm going to do purple. I'm not waiting for it to dry in between, I'm letting it blend together. I'm also going to do purple on the outside of my medium one. Let's do light blue in the middle. And let's go for some pink in the middle of this one. I made them all different. Now, once you do all this, if you decide you do want to do a second coat, you can. Sometimes I think the blending looks really pretty, but because I have some darker colors in the background, I want my hearts to stand out, so I am going to outline them with some white. The outline I'm doing in my medium round brush as well, so it's a little bit thicker. You can use a detail brush if you want. And I'm doing a little bit of a second coat on some of the colors that are thinner. And don't forget some white highlight marks just to make them look a little bit more round. I think that makes them pop. There. Now, I'm going to make these look like balloons, so I am going to take a detail brush and add 3 strings that cross over each other. Let's give it a little bow. And let's see, some streamers. You can have fun with it. And I love adding polka dots in the background of some simple paintings like this because I think it just makes it 10 times more festive. And there you go. You are ready to celebrate Valentine's Day. You can keep it this way, but of course I have to be a little bit extra. I have some extra glitter paint that I added to my hearts as well, but that is optional. And there you go. Have fun, make them super colorful, and happy Valentine's Day.